Mga guys, nandito na naman tayo sa may ADB Avenue ha. Mga guys, kaya siya tinawag na ADB Avenue dahil nandito ang Asian Development Bank. Ayan, Asian Development Bank yan ha. Pero pag nanonotice ko, sa Asian Development Bank, maraming foreigner ang nagtatrabaho dyan. Ayan, Asian Development Bank yan guys. Naku, na-stop pa ako. Ayan, Asian Development Bank yan guys ha. Okay, stop tayo dahil dito sa may pedestrian lane. Ayan, dumaan tayo dyan. Oh, ayan guys ha, kaya siya tinawag na ADB Avenue dahil dyan sa may Asian Development Bank. Nandyan ang Asian Development Bank mga guys, compound. Alright? Oh, so kung ano ang mga landmark, location, minsan dun yung nagbe-base no, ang mga kalye natin. Dahil kung sila naman ay matagal na dyan na base, matagal na dyan na nakatayo ang establishmento na yan. So, dyan din yan nagbe-base mga guys. Okay. Podium. Ayan, the Podium Mall. First class mall yan mga guys. Mamayayaman ang pumupunta dyan ha. Yan o, Podium. Rich people going there at the Podium Mall. So foreigners, all the foreigners coming here in the Philippines, if you like to visit different malls here in Philippines, go to Podium, Shangri-La Hotel, Podium Mall, Rockwell Plaza, Rockwell Power Plant Mall, alright, Eastwood City Libis. What's the other reach? Ayala Malls. Go to Ayala Malls if you like to go in different mall. Ayala Malls. Visit Ayala Malls. It's because Ayala Malls designs for the rich people. So have a good day everyone. Thank you for watching. ADB Avenue. ADB stands for Asian Development Bank of the Philippines.